A new customer rolled in with their trusty iBuyPower rig, except it wasn't powering anything, more like iBuyWon'tTurnOn. Challenge accepted. First stop, the power supply. It passed the vibe check, so we moved on. Next up, video card, memory, and popping the motherboard's internal battery like it owed us money. But then we got to the fan and GPU and oh my, thermal paste. That stuff was crustier than a 5-year-old jar of peanut butter. PSA, maintenance every 1 to 2 years, people. Your rig deserves better. But wait, there's more. During our deep dive, we found liquid on the motherboard, a splash of gamer rage, who knows? But it was enough to call for a motherboard transplant. After getting the green light from the customer, we gotta work reviving this gaming beast. Spoiler alert, it's alive and ready to pune again. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and follow us for more tech rescue. Let's keep your gear running smoother than your KD ratio.